In the world of luxury cars, few automakers can match the illustrious history and reputation of Lamborghini. For over 50 years, this renowned Italian manufacturer has consistently produced a remarkable array of prestigious supercars that captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Today, Lamborghini's lineup remains as sleek as ever, showcasing a collection of meticulously crafted and technologically advanced models. To find out just how costly owning one of these masterpieces really is, we gotta dig in deep. There's more to the price besides that number we see right away. Don't be fooled by those flashy Lamborghini prices you see online. Those are the bait and switch numbers, the ones Lamborghini advertises to hook customers in. But then comes the gut punch. Mandatory fees like the $3,695 recommend you lie down fee, charged just to get the vehicle delivered on a truck, plus a ridiculous $2,100 this thing chugs gasoline tax. So let's crack this riddle and discover what a real Lamborghini really costs you. This yellow Lamborghini LP610-2 Huracan Evo RWD Coupe stands tall and catches your eye. But this beauty got a price that seems okay at $219,392. But don't be fooled by that tag. Underneath lies an engine that really makes you brag. A big 5.2-liter V10 gives it the roar that only Lamborghini cars know. Mid-engine and rear-wheel drive allows it to move with speed and live. When you hit the gas, 601 horses start working, making 413 pound-feet of twist and jerk. It goes from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 3 seconds. The 7-speed automatic transmission helps it get going fast. The Huracan Evo can reach up to 202 miles an hour, making it pass by in a flash of violent yellow color. While the cost to buy looks lower, a mighty need for speed means extra money for fuel to keep its motor roaring. With the top down, the Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD Spider invites you to feel its full performance up close. This drop top costs $240,666, but promises an unforgettable ride. Its 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 roars to life with 601 horsepower the moment you punch the gas. Every acceleration with the roof off unleashes the engine's growl and a rush of wind in your face. The engine's fury shoots to the rear wheels, hurtling the Spider from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 3.2 seconds. Every push of the pedal is accompanied by an opera of sound from the V10 while the wind sings through the cabin. This convertible truly brings the performance to a whole other level. Now it's time to feel the adrenaline rush as we take a thrilling ride in the Lamborghini LP640-4 Huracan Evo Coupe, costing $272,522. This all-wheel monster raises the bar in power and performance, but being the speed king doesn't come cheap. Under the hood lies a mighty 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10. It roars with a jaw-dropping 631 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of twist. This mid-engine masterpiece offers a rear-wheel drive for precision and control. And never forget the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing lightning-quick shifts that'll make your head swim. Feel the need for speed? Then climb aboard the Lamborghini LP640-4 Huracan Evo Spider and unleash the speed demon within. Priced at $299,171. This screaming green convertible supercar will satisfy your hunger for horsepower, and this open-air speed demon demands your attention. The electric soft top unfolds lightning quick, in just 17 seconds, even at speeds up to 30 miles an hour. So get ready to feel the wind in your hair while you turn heads on the road. Hidden beneath that gorgeous body lies a mighty 5.2-liter V10 engine. It roars with a scary 631 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of twist. This drop top means serious speed. Hold on. This supercar zooms from 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds, faster than you can say, "Whoa, mama?" With a top speed of 202 miles an hour, you'll leave everyone in the dust. Do you crave the speed that makes your heart beat fast and blood rush? Then get behind the wheel of the Lamborghini LP640-2 Huracan Technica for the mind-blowing price of $244,795. With its advanced aerodynamics and rebel soul, the Huracan Technica stands apart from the crowd. It's a perfect blend of the standard Huracans and track-ready STO, bringing a whole new rush to the road. Harnessing a fierce 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, This beast comes alive with an impressive 631 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque. Its mid-engine, rear-wheel drive layout, and lightning-fast 7-speed transmission ensure a drive that'll make your pulse pound. Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato means dirt road in Italian. This $278,972 car gives up some pavement speed for off-road skills. Its 5.2-liter engine now makes 601 horsepower. It stands taller and sits on all-terrain tires, and it's got wider fenders and armor below ready to get muddy. Go ahead, take this Italian horse off the smooth way onto rocky paths. For more than $250,000, it better race through more than just intersections. Now, it's time to step into the Lamborghini LP640-2 Huracan STO and unleash the track warrior within. For $340,190, this beefed up beast raises the bar. Lighter and meaner than the Performante at only 2,951 pounds. The STO is a carbon fiber masterpiece with a massive rear wing ready for the track. Hidden beneath those aggressive looks lies a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10. It roars with a crazy 631 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque. With power going only to the wheels, prepare for heart-stopping acceleration and unrivaled thrills. With a top speed of 202 miles an hour, it's a force to be reckoned with down any straightaway. If you want to experience the perfect blend of luxury, power, and versatility, then this is the Lamborghini Urus S, the SUV that defies all expectations. With a starting MSRP of $233,263, this powerhouse is here to make a bold statement on and off the road. Powered by a mighty 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the Urus S delivers an astonishing 657 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. It's a true force to be reckoned with, combining the practicality of an SUV with the heart-pounding performance of a Lamborghini. Equipped with a front engine, all-wheel drive configuration, and 8-speed automatic transmission, the Urus S offers exceptional handling and versatility. It's ready to conquer any terrain, whether it's a snowy road or an open highway. This SUV isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. It says, "I'm here to push limits and reimagine what an SUV can do." The Lamborghini Urus Performante for $265,971. This monster machine is ready to own the track and road with untamed ferocity. Its carbon fiber body and aggressive stance demand attention and rule the street. Hidden beneath is a thunderous 4-liter twin-turbo V8. It roars with a scary 657 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of muscle. It's a symphony of power and precision that'll leave you smiling ear to ear. With all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox, the Urus Performante pairs brute force with perfect handling. It conquers corners and grips the road like a well-crafted instrument. Need some serious speed to feed that giant ego of yours? Then feast your eyes on the Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate, the ultimate Aventador. Limited to 600 units, it's Lamborghini's swan song for the iconic Aventador. A 6.5-liter V12 produces 769 horsepower, rocketing it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 2.7 seconds. It blends British power with unrivaled handling, making it the pinnacle of automotive excellence. If that Ultimate doesn't satisfy your craving for speed and excess, then feast your eyes on an even more outrageous machine, the Lamborghini Cayenne Roadster. So there you have it, the Lamborghini Cayenne Roadster in all its $3.3 million. Utterly unattainable glory. While most of us can only dream of cruising around in 800-plus horsepower rocket ships, at least we still have our sanity and a realistic grasp of what life's truly important. So stay grounded, my friend, and let the Lamborghini Cayenne Roadster remain a symbol of excess best enjoyed from afar. After all, unicorns are way cooler than Lambos any day. These Lamborghinis come with steep price tags, but impressive engineering. If you have the means, owning one will likely bring joy. For most of us, we can only admire from afar. So if you had the funds, which Lamborghini would be your dream car and why? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear.